What's up everybody? My name is George.
I'm Isaac.
And welcome back to the channel. It's another rainy day here in Massachusetts. We're gonna go get some coffee and I gotta stop to get some gas, so we'll catch up to you after that.
So the point of this video is going to be for us to have a little conversation with you about what we're going to do in terms of a new video series that we want to start.
And that video series is going to be all about the cars and Mopars of Mass. It's a community that Isaac and I are slowly getting into. Beforehand, we had Mopars prior to the two vehicles that you know with us now. And we were never really part of any sort of big car club. Isaac and I had our own car club for a little while. It was actually called Massachusetts Customs Club. And it's something that we tried, and it worked. It was just a few of us guys and whatever. It wasn't anything too crazy, but we ended up finding this community called Mopars of Mass.
So Mopars of Mass is exactly as it seems. It's a group of just Mopar guys. And so, we've got Rams, you've got Jeeps, you've got Chargers, you've got Challengers, and everybody kind of has their own thing that they do with their cars. And everybody is super, super unique about it.
And the best part is like I'm one of the only Durangos in the group.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a couple other ones in there, but I'm like one of the only ones that like come out to the meets and stuff. So it's pretty cool to be that kind of unique. A lot of Ram trucks, like you said, a lot of Challengers and Chargers, a lot of old school muscle too, which is really cool to see.
Absolutely.
I think the rarest thing that I haven't really seen too much is Vipers.
Yeah,
I haven't really seen too much of the Vipers.
So, like we mentioned before, the Mopars of Mass series that we want to start is going to be an area for us to kind of spotlight certain individuals. So if you want to be spotlighted, we'll absolutely do a video on you. If you have somebody that you think should be spotlighted, just let us know. We'll take that into consideration and do that. But we're going to leave it pretty open-ended for anybody who really wants to be in it. So
I mean, we're gonna stick with mostly Mopars for now, so anything that classifies as a Mopar, eventually we'll probably have to start getting into some other types of vehicles, but we don't have a problem with that. But for now, we're gonna stick with the Mopar community, especially around Massachusetts, and different types of things. And it doesn't, we obviously want as many custom vehicles as we want, but it can be a stock vehicle. It doesn't really matter. I mean, we have no problem doing a stock Hellcat. I mean,
that's
no problem like
that's kind of the point of it. Is we don't necessarily want just a stock car. Everybody in Mopars and Mass really has their own take on their own vehicle, and we want to spotlight that. We want to have you come out with your car and you give us a tour of your car. Tell us what you've done to it, because every single person's done something different.
Yep. We'll introduce you, we'll have you show us around your car, show us around your modifications and any future plans that you have with your car.
Yep. Talk about how you got your car, what made you want to get that specific Mopar. We'll go for a little bit of a walk around. We'll take some video clips inside and out, and pop a hood on the car. We can see what you've done to the actual engine. If you know what you're making for power, we can add that in. Any pictures that you guys have of your car that you want to be showcased in the video, we can add that along. But we're gonna leave it pretty open-ended. We're gonna try and make a template for it so that it's kind of consistent between every single person's car. But at the end of the day, it's gonna be about you, and about you being the Mopars of Mass member that you are, and your story.
And I don't know about you, but I'm pretty excited to see what we're going to get into. So we hope that you stick around. We have plenty of exciting content coming your way. We're really excited to work on this video series. I can't wait to show you some of the Mopar community and some of the cars that we get to hang around with. It's going to be a great time.
So as always with any video, make sure you toss it a like,
comment, and subscribe.
And hit that little bell at the top corner of the video to make sure that you get notified of when we post.
We are the SLOPAR Boys, and we'll catch you next time. That was it.
I don't know if the bell's at the top corner of the video.
It's wherever you put it.
Okay.